Good afternoon, my name is Andrew Kutschera. We are today at the AHR show 2025 in beautiful Orlando, Florida. We're going to walk through Rinnai's commercial boilers, RCBs, and we're going to start with the 301s all the way up to 1 million BTU boilers. When I talk RCBs, Rinnai commercial boilers, we're going to talk about the family. And some of the biggest important things on our boilers today is we're using a Cermeta heat exchanger. 30 plus years, proven track record around the world. It's an amazing system. It is also a water tube boiler as well. Step into the gas valve. It's a Honeywell. Again, all of our units are using the Honeywell. It's tried and true, it's been around, it's functional, and it works extremely well. And then we walk into our Siemens controllers. Some of the top brands that Siemens puts their names on is the top in the world. So we're using Siemens. It's a 7-inch controller that controls all our units. So what we're looking at today is a 1 million BTU boiler. These can be cascaded together. They're all 10-to-1 turn down ratios. Some of our larger ones in the back are the 301s and 399s. You can actually cascade 8 of those together, and now you're getting an 8-to-1 turn down ratio. I mean, that's incredible. PVC, the ones in the back, will also come out of the top at 4-inch into a 6-inch header, not an 8-inch, which is huge for the contractor. That's somewhat the wall-mounted ones. The floor-mounted ones, we also have comes with wheels, canisters. So as you pull it off the pallet, you roll it through the mechanical room into the pad. 28.5-inch door, 28.5-inch width. It'll go through any commercial door. No removing the doors, no removing the panels of the door frame, or disassembling our units. On all our units, accessibility is huge. That's why I pulled this off today. All 3 panels come off on all the RCB families. The large ones, top panel will come off, actually has a hook on the inside that can be picked up with a crane. One of the greatest things on this is our warranty. A lot of our competitors have a 10-year prorated warranty. We have a 10-year non-prorated warranty. And what that means is if it fails 9.5 years down the road, it's plumbed correctly and it's been maintained, we will not just exchange the heat exchanger, we exchange the entire unit. And that goes on the 301, the 750, million, and the 500,000 BTU boilers. No one else is doing this. That's how much faith we have in the Cermeta heat exchanger. My name again, Andrew Kutschera from the 2025 AHR show in Orlando, Florida. Thank you.